Do we remember what this is called?
No.
Indian chicken? I think this is the Indian chicken.
That looks funny.
From Hibachi Buffet. Yeah, this one's breaded a bit weird, but they don't normally look like this. This is one of my favorites. I don't know how they make it. It's probably lightly curried. This one's just good. It's breaded, it's fried, it's lightly seasoned. It is, well, there we go with that. It is slightly above average. Yeah, no, I'd say it's just average. Yeah, curry chicken, Indian chicken.
Oh, and
2.5 stars.